Hello, guys. Good morning. Hi, Norman. Nauna rin. Hala, gago pangalawa ka sa dito sa screen. Una si si Jao. Hi, Jao. Good morning, guys. Good luck. Sali me next month. Next month? Hello, step bro. Good morning, guys. Good morning, step bro. Hello, Carl. Hello, Jeffrey. Hello, step bro. Thank you sa pag-share ng live. Thank you, guys. Hello. Kung gusto niyo po sumali, G lang. Wala pa akong kalaro. Lang. Lag na naman ba? Ba? Hindi na din delay ah. Kaso baka sa una lang. Sino to? These nuts. Hoy na, sendan. Sino to? These nuts. Ito ba? Wait lang. Di ako makakalaro, magre-review ako ng bahagya. Anong bahagya yan? 5 minutes. Hello, Alginski. Ano rank na? Diamond 3. Diamond 3. Hindi tayo mag-ascendant this act, guys. Damot eh. Sayang. Ilang days na lang eh. Matitilis na naman ba ako sa solo queue? Hindi lagay yung bala. 21 lang. Isa pa. Ako din magre-review. 1 month. Okay na, 1 month magre-review. Bakit? Anong i-review mo? Norman. Sana all. I-reviewin ko yung gameplays para malaman mga mali. Gago. Gameplay pala i-reviewin. Reviewin mo ko sa ka ba nagkamali? Ba't ka ba niya iniwan? Wala akong magawa, i-reviewin ko na lang sa tangay na. Na sobrang bored mo, kahit graduate ka na, nagre-review ka. Yan ang trip. Taasan ko yung 21. Wait lang. Tangin na mo. 2024. Ito mama. Solo na naman ba? I-mute ko na naman ba ang mga teammates ko sa solo? Solo queue. May pasok kasi bukas. Ay, okay. Mabait ka na pala. Nagde-review ka na. Good luck, Brian. Na-miss mo? Tara, Smurf. Smurf ka daw sa sa subject ni Brian. Sana pwede yun, no? Ang ina, mag-smurf ka sa klase ng kaibigan mo. Miss ko yung pagiging estudyante, pero di yung estudyante moments. Totoo yan. Nakakamiss maging estudyante, sa totoo lang. Pero yung mga gawain ng estudyante, parang wag na lang. Ang ina, nakakamiss yung umaga ka gigising, babiyahe ka, magko-commute ka, nakikipagdaldalan ka, magkakating, ay, joke lang. Baka nanonood nanay ko. Taring lang, hindi po ako nagkakating. Sorry. May sipon ako. Patang na. Hello, Maki. That man sa the range. Ilan sila? 3? Sali ba ako? Ay, kalat-kalat yung nila, yung rank. Ang inang sipon naman to.
Pre. Panay babae sila doon sa Discord.
Gago.
Nako.
Uy! Gago! Sa sobrang delay ng comps ko, wala na ako sa party, nagsasalita pa yung mga tao. Ano, magsasalo ba ako? Ina kasi. Warm up reveal ako. Eliminate 100 pampamuscle memory lang. Tapos 100 lang, not 1,000. About sa unrated. Di ako nag-unrated eh. Ang hindi ko na-miss yung paggising ng maaga. Now kasi pwede ka mag-start anytime, flex lang. Iniisip ko nga eh, paano ko kaya nagagawa yun nung college? Kasi may klase kami 7 a.m. Siyempre, agahan mo pa yung gising mo, magpe-prepare ka pa, babiyahe ka pa. Imagine, 7 a.m. Parang patulog pa lang ako nun ngayon eh. Shik. May mga party naman kayo, niloloko nyo naman ako eh. Mga naka-queue kayo eh. Or delay to. Delay ba to? Wala na akong tiwala sa sarili ko. Pag nakikita ko kasi may score dito, feeling ko delay.
Match found.
Mukha naman ako nalugi dito. Mukhang nalugi. Sali may pag-uwi. Ay, sige, Maki, ingat. Thanks. Pag gusto nyo sumali, sabihin nyo lang. Next game. Kaso next game nga lamang.
Everyone is afraid of something.
Sali ko. Wala na, nag-start na. Parang ang onti ng gising ngayon. Ang onti ng naglalaro. Thursday pa lang. Killjoy. Oh. Hinihintay talaga kita mag-find match. Pag naka-ano na no, naka-queue na, saka sasabihin magsali. Ayup. Hello po, Nick Martin. Thank you sa pag-share ng live. Thank you sa pag-notify. Hello, hello. Ang ina, tulog pa ba ang mga person? Taylor Swift fan. Ah, Taylor Swift fan siya, oh. Yung Omen, oh. Oo naman, Cloud Chaser. Charot. Cloud Chaser agad.
This enemy is nothing
Kita yung
special.
tattoo ko.
Still human. Still mortal.
Game. Hangin ba? Nahangin kasi buhok ko eh.
Where are you?
Smoke's down. Stim beacon here.
Bring them down.
With the
Right
frenzy,
between the eyes.
The frenzy.
Weapon here.
heaven clear.
Placing swarm grenade.
Gun here.
One gen, one canteen.
City. Close.
One enemy remaining.
Go!
Bakit?
Sheesh!
Reload.
Wala na akong bala
Everyone
eh.
note down your observations, then let's run it again.
Let's get this done.
I'm going B again.
Okay. Bro, wait for me.
Deploy.
Nice.
May magpa-flank. Charing.
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
Flawless.
Killjoy calls her tech killer robots. Good joke. Funny.
Reloading.
Ay, putang ina, nagulat ako.
You know what to do.
Play slow.
I'll find you.
Smoke's down. Stim beacon down. Open up the skies.
Cypher here. Go back. Cypher
Enemy
here.
spotted B.
Reloading.
Many B. Let's go A.
Okay. Bandal na sila.
There. Still waiting. Bring them down.
1 city. 2 city.
I'll find you.
Lights down.
Molly!
Placing sentry.
105 fade. Sands.
No more dreams.
Close to you, fade.
Oh, 20
What?
only.
Turrets destroyed.
Fade 1 HP. 1 bullet, fade.
Last player standing.
Bomb grenade out.
Dami ads. Hello, Otits! Thank you sa pag-share ng live. Pasensya ka na. God bless.
I'll shut them down.
Kaya di ko na ulo si
Survive.
si Fade. Uy, gago, muti ko na matapon yung
My
bandal
butt,
ko.
my butt.
Hindi ko na ulo si Fade. Spectre.
That breach is asking for it.
Hi guys! Hello, John Larry. Tama ba?
Don't smoke.
Where are you? Reloading.
Here.
Care flank.
Binigay niya na yung
No?
orb.
No, not
Bring
yet.
them down.
Alarm bot out.
Bring them
1
down.
canteen. Can you smoke now?
Launching smoke. Stim beacon here.
Sana mas malalim pa yung alarm bot.
Flashing.
Spike down B. The spike is here.
80 Fade.
Turret out.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Link. Bold. Ayan na naman si Otits. Ikaw na naman nagre-reply.
30 seconds left. I have the spike.
Oh, gago, what a flick!
If I act superior, it's because I am.
Ah.
Reyna, I can see why you don't
Uy,
want
wala
any of
akong
my tech.
comms.
You're scary enough without it.
Feel ko pa mag-comms. Wala, delay na naman. Wala na naman. Wala oh. And, delay. Okay na, delay yan. Mga 5 seconds din.
Safety's
Nice
off.
click. Galing, no? Sana all.
Knife deployed.
Chill first.
Mark
Side.
2.
Three.
Bring them down.
Fully smoked.
One
B
more
was
side.
clear, by the way.
They're blind with fear.
Okay. Reyna top side.
One enemy remaining.
No info on Cypher, maybe.
Anong side?
Where are you?
Placing sentry. Let me just swipe those biometrics.
Keep taking this seriously. Right here.
There. Need
I can drop KO.
Thank you.
Dapat lagi may comms, balo. Balo.
Here.
Lamig, tangina.
Bleed them dry.
Kaya naman nagpipick dito. Sino ba tuwilis nila? Reyna lang.
I'll find you.
Smoke.
Launching smoke. Stim beacon down.
What?
Oy, 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 oy. Oh, no!
Tower.
Placing
Hindi ko na
sentry.
prowler.
Caught one.
Spike planted.
Last player standing.
Turret down.
One tower.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Uy, gago!
Oh, nice try. So close.
Tangay na kasi ng prowler. Di ko na prowler yung trap. Akala ko maa-aned sa ulti ni Kayo. Ano ba yun?
Bragging rights if you get first pick.
Grabe yun. Grabe shot.
There. Suppressing.
Cypher here.
Fully smoked. Stim beacon here.
Cypher dead. One tower. One on tower.
Or,
There. I'll find you.
Alarm bot out. Reloading.
oh, may trap per side si Sai.
Spike planted.
There.
Link.
One enemy remaining.
Trap, city.
Flawless. Now this pleases me.
Reloading.
Their teeth will chatter in the cold and dark.
Tilapia. Akin na nga yan, tilapia. Tilapia skin.
Where
The
are
eco, by the way. One close.
Reload. Here, bring them down.
One side. Oh, is this smoke? He went canteen.
Okay.
One bullet, KJ. One bullet, KJ.
One enemy remaining.
Something dead.
Shorty. Ay, wow. 4 games.
They're
Shorty.
just batteries.
Na, tag 40 lang.
Reloading.
Sakit na ng mata ko eh. Hello! Thank you sa spam likes!
I'll keep them quiet.
Thank you guys! Pa-spam hearts naman po. Thank you so much.
Shutting them down.
Magsalamin na ako. Di ko na kaya. Ang sakit sa mata. Ang hapdi. Saan ako? Saan ako?
Oh, backside in the box.
Spike down, B. Where are you? Last player standing. There.
I know exactly where you are.
Ace.
Nasa side. Welcome. Ay! Ikaw ba yun?
I'll survive identity.
Hello!
Can't say the same
Kuya!
for you fragile humans.
Kuya Engineer Sibs. Hello. Ano?
They can't go A, Cyber B, right?
I'll find
May
you.
trap si Sai.
Bro, hold.
Oh, side.
There.
There's one hiding here.
Yeah, I'm holding here.
Oh.
Oh, one behind you, Teo. One behind you.
Placing
down.
there.
Dim beacon here.
Top one. Placing swarm grenade.
Spike planted.
Who trained you?
What's it?
Placing swarm grenade.
Where are you?
Canteen.
Bring them down.
Canteen and city. City coming out. Omen TP.
Side.
Omen side. Omen side, one canteen.
Okay.
One enemy remaining.
Side, side. On the box.
Nice.
Mind the heavy machine. There.
Hadi, again. Their fear is a track, and the track is fresh.
Right here.
Darn. Kaya 3 ka na, Ate Apple? Siyempre! Ano ba akala mo? Plot 3? Daya 3 na ako, kaso nga lang. RR. Off your motherfucking feet.
Help me, someone.
Smoke.
Ano ba yan? Ano bang bulag yan?
Spike retrieved.
Sabotage yun ah.
Launching smoke.
Spike dropped.
Off your
Let me go first. You guys bait me.
I have the spike.
Bring them down.
One enemy remaining.
Arcade last arc.
Spike planted.
Nice one.
Last round before the switch.
We're moving out. Pack heavy.
Grabbing gear. Grabbing gear.
Wala, fade diff ako.
Your opponent.
Fade diff. Bot frag, top frag.
Not deployed.
I have the spike. I'll find you.
Yeah.
Dim beacon down.
Binibigay sa akin yung orb.
Clear, side clear.
Placing sentry.
Hello, Nick!
Spike planted. My ult is ready.
Swarm grenade.
Tapos, ay, tapon. Tabo ako.
Where takes them?
You are
Face your fear. Mark one.
Both side now.
Fade, you have skill.
One enemy remaining.
2v1.
Where are
Nice.
you? Still waiting.
Placing swarm grenade out. Switching sides. They look like us, but are they us? I have so many questions.
Sinong favorite?
Thanks.
Ha? Bakit? Bakit bigla